Oh, that's kind of weak in. What is this? What is this miracle?
What is it? You just put your hand next to it to scale it. It's prehistoric.
It's prehistoric!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness me.
We're in a rock pool to the right of this picture, which is of Brignogan-Plages in northern Finistere in France. It's early August 2015 and we have an extreme low tide which has uncovered quite a lot of the kelp and so on. And here is my foot to give the animal some scale. As you can see, in its current form, it's about 8 to 9 inches long. Its body form, and especially those ears at the front, give it the name the sea hare, or Aplysia fasciatus. The sea hare is capable of swimming using parapodial flaps on either side of its body. They're not extended in this animal. The tentacles at the front are the feeding tentacles, and the ones behind are called rhinopores. There is an internal shell, and the animal produces ink, which when it's disturbed it will discharge in order to discourage predators. This particular animal was feeding on kelp, and it's the kelp which gives it its reddish brown colour. It was discovered behind seaweed under a rock at low tide. This animal is found at the northern extent of its range. They're rare visitors to Britain, but they're found down the Atlantic coast of France, West Africa and in the Mediterranean. This is a fairly mature animal. They grow up to about 40 centimetres long.